We are the Killenly, Connecticut manufacturing facility for Frito-Lay North America. We make about 150 million pounds a year. We make Lay's, Ruffles, Fritos, Doritos, Smart Food, Tostitos, and Santitas. We service the entire service area from the tip of Maine to tip of New Jersey, very early Pennsylvania.
Here at Killenly, we have sustainability as a core value throughout the whole plant. And we wanted to continuously minimize the usage and the impact of those resources that we borrow from the environment.
We use about 21,500 pounds of potatoes an hour. It comes out to several million pounds per week. It takes about 4 pounds of potatoes to make a pound of finished potato chips. So we actually use a lot of potatoes. After we bring them into the plant, they go through a peeling process. We have several inspection systems that can pull bad potatoes out of the process. They go through those inspection systems, and then they get sliced into individual chips. It drops into a washing system.
From the water standpoint, here at Killenly, we are presently just on the potato chip lines. We have saved about 14 million gallons per year, and altogether about 21 million gallons of water per year.
After the product goes through that washing system, it goes directly into the fryer. It gets fried in hot oil. We can make up to about 7,000 pounds an hour per line, and we have 2 of those lines.
The extraordinary thing is that we don't use biofuels like oil to run our boilers. We're using only the cogeneration boiler. Essentially what we use is natural gas with a turbine, so that provides us with all the heat that we need to actually create the steam, which is eco-friendly. We are off the grid on electricity. We produce all the electricity that we can use here at the plant.
The product comes out of the fryer, and then it goes through another vision system. It passes through that vision system. That vision system removes any defects, underfried, overfried product.
We want to be a zero balance waste to our local community. So we take all the waste we generate and we send it to our farms for feed.
Product comes out of that vision system. It goes into either salted product or seasoned product. We actually use all natural seasonings now. All of that product then goes through a conveyor system and goes out into the packaging room.
Also, any of the bags, any film that we generate, we use it in our program, the SteriCycle program, where we generate product like handbags and so forth. From impact into the environment, that translates to about 65 million tons of CO2 that we're no longer putting up in the system. Also equivalent to about 7,000 houses being off the electrical grid for 1 year. So it's a great things we're doing for the local community as well as for the environment as a whole.